Good afternoon. So, see, alternating currents don't only come in the form of a sinusoidal trigonometric wave. They come in many shapes. And if you can see on the screen, you have alternating current being represented by a triangle wave and a square wave. So it is just not the trigonometric function. It can also be a trigonometric and a square wave that represents alternating current. The main point is that the polarity should change every cycle. So if you see in the triangle, the polarity is changing, from plus to minus, and then again it becomes plus. Similarly, in the case of a square wave, you can see the polarity reversing from plus to minus, minus to plus. This is a key characteristic of an alternating current. A lot of times, numericals on calculating root mean square for this situation is asked. You must know how to calculate root mean square value when the shape of the alternating current is other than the sinusoidal curve. Thank you.